Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we've got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot today. And I'd like to take just a couple minutes to share it with you. This is a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. It's the SEL trim version. It's got a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine in it. So we'll go ahead and do a quick walk around on the outside. Then we'll go on the inside and take a look. The car does have a backup camera, and once we get back here, I'll show that to you. It's actually a sleek looking car, nice curves on this car. 2018 Hyundai Elantra. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. And just like that, we got the trunk open. It does already have a net back here. This is called an envelope style storage net, but a lot of space back here. And your backup camera is right there. So let's go ahead and continue our walk around. Now, one thing I do want to make a note, this car does have, and I hope that you can see the little emblem right there, but it does have lane detection. So if somebody's coming up to pass you, that's going to illuminate and it's going to alert you, and you have that on both mirrors. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Okay, the car does have black cloth interior, and you do have black door panels. Go up here, show you the headliner. Appears to be in very good condition. Let's go ahead and look up front. Okay, here we are up front. So I'll show you the door panel, your window controls, mirrors. So let's go ahead and hop on inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. I went ahead and got the car started up. Just show you what the interior looks like. Now let's go in here to the gauges. And you can see as of now, the mileage on this is 79,104 miles. Now you do have controls on your steering wheel here on the left. This does have the connectivity for Bluetooth, so it will connect to your phone. So you can make and receive phone calls, adjust your volume up and down. And then cruise control settings are on your right. And then there's also different settings, scroll the wheel here, that will actually come up on your instrument cluster, which you can see right there. So we'll come over here and show you your stereo system. Now it does have the capability of connecting to SiriusXM radio. Scroll down a little bit, you'll see this is the heating cooling section. And your gear shift, you do have different drive modes with a button right here. And you can see it's on economy mode right now for fuel economy. Sport mode, you will see a slightly different change in your transmission shifting. So you do have that capability. 2 cup holders, armrest, and storage area. Let's take a look in back. And just that quick, I'm able to turn around, show you the back seat in this, and there is all kinds of leg room here. Okay, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our tour, 2018 Hyundai Elantra. And this is a 2.0 liter engine. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Give us a phone call at 740-992-4443 with any questions. And if you'd like to schedule a test drive, feel free to do so. We got a lot of financing options available. So with that, have a great day.